Every tool that touches your ledger changes it. That's the job, it adds a category. The question nobody asks until an audit is, what else did it change? Some fields are supposed to change. The category, the flags, a memo. Some are not. The date, the amount, and who was paid. That's the record itself. FinLang fingerprints those three, for every row, before the engine runs and again afterwards. Then it compares them. Add verify to any run, and you get this. 250,000 rows checked. 0 mismatches. Full mode, so each field is compared on its own, not just the fingerprint. It catches an altered date, a lost row, or a value that ended up on the wrong line. And it's specific about what it doesn't do. It doesn't compare the category, the engine is meant to set that. It also won't tell you a rule was wrong. That's a different question, with a different flag. Verify asks whether FinLang left your data alone. Reconcile asks whether it agrees with your model. One flag. The report is a single file, it's readable, and you can hand it to somebody.